Good morning dear students. Welcome back to my computer online class. So today we will read second chapter from your computer book. Okay, the chapter name is Evolution of Computers. So what do you mean by evolution of computers? Means the development of computers. Okay, so see topics to learn: history of computer, Pascaline, tabulating machine, ENIAC and UNIVAC, Abacus, analytical engine, Atanasoff Berry computer, ABC, generations of computer, and Napier's bones. So in this chapter we are going to learn these topics. Okay, now see history of computer. The word computer comes from the word compute, which means to calculate. So the word computer comes from the word compute. What do you mean by compute? Compute means to calculate. Okay, this word tells us that computers were actually calculating devices built for long and difficult calculation. So from this word compute, which means to calculate, we can say that computers were actually calculating device which used to calculate long and difficult calculations. Okay, in ancient times people used stones, pebbles or sticks to count things. So in ancient time computer was not available, so people used stones, pebbles or sticks to count the things. Okay, do you know what is pebbles? Pebbles are the small stone which are smooth and round by the action of water or sand. Okay, but these calculations used to take a long time and also led to many mistakes. So in ancient time people used stones, pebbles and sticks, but these calculations take very long time and also led to many mistakes. So the result was not accurate or correct. Okay, slowly these early calculating devices kept on becoming more advanced, which evolved them into modern day computer. Let's learn about some of the early calculating devices. So because of that mistakes, they use some calculating devices, early calculating devices. So let us learn about the calculating devices. See, abacus. Abacus is a wooden frame with rows of wires and beads. So what is abacus? Abacus is a wooden frame. The frame is made by wood with rows of wires and beads. Beads means some balls or round figures. Okay, the balls that you see on the rods are called beads. So the balls which are seen on the rods are known as beads. Okay, abacus was the first counting device. Underline this sentence. What was the first counting device? Abacus. Abacus was the first counting device. Okay, calculations on the abacus are done by sliding these beads across the rods. So how calculations was done? The calculations on the abacus are done by sliding the beads across the rods. Understand? Now see Napier's bones. This device had a set of rods or bones with multiplication tables inscribed on them. So the Napier's bone has a set of rods and bones and also marked with, inscribed means marked with. Okay, and marked with multiplication tables. Okay, this device was invented by Sir John Napier in 1617. So Napier's bone was invented by Sir John Napier. Underline this sentence, in the year 1617. It was used for simple calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So Napier's bones was used for simple calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, now see Pascaline. A French mathematician Blaise Pascal invented a machine known as Pascaline in 1642. So Blaise Pascal, who was a French mathematician, invented a machine which is known as Pascaline in the year 1642. It had a box with movable wheels called dials, which assisted in entering numbers for calculation. So it had a box. This machine had a box, okay, with movable wheels called dials. The movable wheels in the box known as dials, which assisted in entering numbers for calculation. The dials are used in entering numbers for calculations. Okay, Pascaline is made up of gears that are used for adding and subtracting large numbers very quickly. So Pascaline was mostly used for adding and subtracting. Okay, now see analytical engine. Charles Babbage, a mathematics professor of Cambridge University, is considered as the father of the computer. So who was the father of the computer? Charles Babbage. Okay, he had designed analytical engine in 1837. So he made the analytical engine in the year of 1837. Okay, now see tabulating machine. In 1890, an American named Herman Hollerith invented a counting machine to count the population of USA. So an American named Herman Hollerith, he invented the machine named tabulating machine and used to count the population of USA. Okay, its operation was controlled by punched cards. So the operation tabulating machine was controlled by punched card. Punched cards means a card perforated according to a code. Okay, Atanasoff-Berry computer ABC. It was the first automatic electronic digital computer built by John V. Atanasoff and Clifford Berry between 1937 to 1942. So Atanasoff-Berry computer was the first automatic electronic digital computer, okay, which was built by John V. Atanasoff and Clifford Berry in the year between 1937 to 1942. Each operation was also controlled by punched cards. So here punched card was also used for the operation. Okay, means the operation was controlled by punched cards. ENIAC and UNIVAC. ENIAC, electronic numerical integrator and computer, was the first electronic general purpose computer. It was developed by John Moseley and J. Presper Eckert in 1946. Moseley and Eckert later on developed the UNIVAC 1. What is the full form of UNIVAC 1? Universal Automatic Computer 1 in 1957, which was the first commercial electronic computer. So UNIVAC 1 was the first commercial electronic computer. You have to remember this. Okay, it could work with numeric and text data. So what is the use of this? It could work with numeric and text data. Okay, so students, you have to read page number 14 and 15 and send your audios right now. Okay, so it's your today's class. We will read the next pages in our next class. Thank you. Have a good day.